Hello, everyone. Today, August the 4th, Monday, the, let me introduce the heavy-duty spring forming machine, a background heavy-duty spring forming machine, as well including our spring forming machine, introducing our company briefing, mainly business activities. So, firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm a baker, export sales manager, export sales manager. This is my basic information. Contact my WhatsApp, my WeChat. Our brand, Guangjin Spring Machine, GSM, manufacturer founded 2005. This is Baker, export sales manager with my WeChat, my WhatsApp. Also, if you are habit at using email, you can send me your inquiry or send me your request by email. This also with my email site. For more videos, here's the YouTube site for more videos. For the video bank, youtube.com/bakerliu6338. For Facebook, daily business activities. Daily business activities. Our factory in Dongguan City, within 75 kilometers to Guangzhou International Airport, within 70 minutes for a taxi ride. This is my basic information, and this background for a heavy-duty spring forming machine carries with wire rotary. This machine heavy-duty over 2.2 meter, and goes shipping by the high type ocean shipping container, 20 feet or 25 feet high type ocean container. This machine using in agricultural purpose or automobile, industrial machinery, mining machinery. For agriculture like Lake Tan, Lake Tees. Okay, this machine carries with wire rotary, presently 12 axes. This machine is ready at any time for you, go sampling for you, then go next for shipping. Soonest sampling if you have the heavy duty. This one for wire 3 to 8 millimeter. 3 to 8 millimeter. If you have the task, send me your inquiry. Then we will go sampling for you, preparing the tools, go sampling for you. This machine. So here's the operate system. English, Chinese, list presently 4 slides during this program for different difficulty level task using a different lineup of the tools. for the more complicated, more sliders during the program, during to handling, to do something work. Okay, let's here's the nameplate. Before the machine shipping, we will fix a nameplate on the machine with key information. Our company full name, key information. Our company full name, the machine full name, model number, power and the frequency, voltage and the frequency, and the machine weight, net weight, machine net weight, as well the total power, the production date, production date of production, then final in the final line made in China. We are CNC spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan city. Okay, this page telling one of our advantage. This page telling one of our advantage for this to achieve super quality in durability and excellent precision. All of our mechanical parts as shaft, sleeve, and lugs had complete the following procession steps and the heat treatment to reach the super durability and excellent precision. To go through the following procession step and the heat treatment. Firstly, rough turning, the tempering treatment. Semi-finishing turning, mirroring slots and dots, dotting. Then bench working, drilling, tapping, and high frequency treatment. So the step 2 and step 6 is very important for the mental key parts, durability, and precision performance. Then to step 7, external cyclic grinding. Then ending the end phase chamfering. So this is one of our advantage. We complete the following 8 steps one by one with the best service provider in South China. My old friends, if you are fresh a green hand the first time trying to import machines from our factory, you'll take a picture list to follow the key steps import purchase with our factory. Firstly, let's have a professional business negotiation discussion. Then, to specify the key points, I will next give a professional quotation for you. After discussion, we will reach a deal. Then sign the pro forma invoice at both sides. Then the buyer paying the deposit. Machine next for assembly takes 2 or 3 weeks. Assembly done. Warm up running. Then put on the tools, go sampling for mostly of the following deals. For a special task for tailor-made solutions, Most of the foreign clients will come to our factory for of whole week time free using operate training at our site. After training, get the skills to operate the machine independently, then buyer paying the balance. Then go next for the dispatch step by step. In step 11, the buyer handling the import custom clearance. This is the main step for a foreign import purchase for the machine from our factory. This is for the green hand. If you are the first time trying to import machine from our factory, okay? So this is our brand. This is our brand. This is our brand. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. This is the machine key parameters, key specification parameters. Every model of our machine have lists the key parameters. Every model of our machine have a list. As well, this page telling our camless spring forming machine. Camless spring forming machine for various wire size springs at very type of spring for compression, torsion, double torsion, extension, wire forming products, spring shape, special shape springs, and wire bending products. The work panel in front of the view, in front of the angle to showcase this machine, cameras with wire rotary. The work panel, every key pass, the name plate, name list in the work panel. The inside structure, inside of the chamber, including the wire rotary and the wire feeding system, two main systems inside of the chamber. Cameras are inside wire rotary, wire feeding, gearbox, 4-pair feeding rods, gearbox for the wire feeding, and the gear driving for the wire rotary with wire rotary max to 340 degree. 340 degree. So this picture telling the chamber of the inner for wire rotary, wire feeding, gear driving, wire rotary, and at the chassis, the servos to each axis. For example, if machine have total in 12 axes is with respectively independent total 12 servers. So this have the control system mode on the chamber, on the chassis. The chassis. Once again, this machine heavy duty with cameras with wire rotary for the task as like list. Mainly the list, spring time, double time, hay leg time, straw baler spring parts, agriculture machinery parts. The size, showcase the size at 3 dimensions. This machine to be loaded by the high type ocean container, 40 feet or 45 feet high type container. This machine key specification parameters. Key specification parameters for this machine. Total 12 axes, 1 spin, 1 sizer. Total wire feeding 15 kilowatts. Every handle 4.5 kilowatts. Feeding diameter, feeding wire diameter 3 to 8 millimeter. 4 pair feeding rollers for the tasks. Extension pro double torsion springs for strawberry, lake tan, cheddar, sweater with lower tillage, forage, mining machinery, heavy industry, tent, and pet stake. So once again, this is my contact information, my basic information for my contact, my WhatsApp, my WeChat. We are professional spring machine manufacturer. I'm a baker. Our factory, within 75 from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. Next time you or you with your team come to our factory, let's have a face-to-face discussion. We will provide professional spring machine related solution for you, for your team. Okay. This machine, the heavy duty, presently 12 axes, 12 axes, feeding wires 3 to 8 millimeter, 3 to 8 millimeter. Move closer. Manger 8 centimeter. The slider needs to move semicircle 180 degree. And this the operate system. English, Chinese. The green one is active at present. The gray one is disactive. Y for wire feeding. Here's the spinner. Here's the spinner. Show you a full view of the machine. Wire rotary, wire feeding, wire rotary, and the chassis for the main electric and the system related parts. For example, the power supply, the transformer, the air switches, the operating system mainboard. So, interest, please go deeper business discussion. We will provide professional solution for you. Okay, my friend, let's show you the inside structure for the chamber for two main systems, the operating system, the wire feeding system, and the wire rotary wire feeding system. 4 pair feeding rods and the wire rotary max to 340 degree. 340 degree. So once again, I'll send you the key remaining tips. Okay, once again, I remind the key tips. This is because we are professional spring machine manufacturer. Guangjin spring machine manufactured in Dongguan City, South China, founded 2005 with over 20 years history. I'm a big export sales manager, experienced. I can provide you English service to skillful at operate handling the export flow, export steps. Interest, if you interest, you can add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat, or send me by email to this site. Email to this site. For more videos, you can visit my YouTube site for the radio bank. For more, every of our models, special product sampling, or every model product, every model machine sampling videos. For Facebook as daily business activities. Every month, one or two clients come to our factory for a machine operates and using free training. And the foreign clients, the training will mostly take a whole week for a free using training at our site, especially for a special task. Especially for a special task. So this is one of our advantages. Going for all 8 steps for the mental parts, for our mental parts， 我们所有的机械部件我们所有机型的机械部件，比如这些轴啊、杆啊、套啊，都经过了严格而完整的这种加工工序和热处理工序，已达到经久耐用、精度优良的品质要求尤其是第2步和第6步调制处理还有就是高频处理，我们是在整个华南最好的供应商华南理工的附属工厂，整个华南最好的供应商去加工这个去完成这个热处理和表面处理。第2步和第6步极为关键的第2步和第6步So this is one of our advantages to achieve excellent precision and super durability for our machine. All of our machine mechanical parts such as shaft, sleeve, and rods completed the following all 8 steps, especially at step 2 and step 6 for rough turning, tempering treatment, semi-finishing turning, mirroring, benchwork, high-frequency treatment, external cylindrical grinding, and end phase chamfering. Okay, my friends, take this picture. This is very important. If you are trying the first time, you are planning to make the first lot import purchase, buying import our machine in the first time, please take checklist to get clear understanding the key steps make an import purchase. The key steps for import purchase of the machine, especially doing business with our factory. If you are first time, please get clear understanding to following the each steps.